Is it possible to make money when you have no business, no investment, and no job? In this video, I will show you how Nigerians are making money online through affiliate marketing and dropshipping. Affiliate marketing and dropshipping are business models of selling other people's products. They are ways you can raise money from the comfort of your home without begging, taking loan, or involving yourself in fraudulent practices. All you need is your phone, internet connection, the necessary skills, and the right network. Affiliate marketing and dropshipping have created many millionaires, even in dollars. So, what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is a form of online marketing where you refer solution-based products to people online and get paid on every sale. Have you ever recommended a product or vendor to someone you know? How would you feel if the vendor calls you and pays you for the referral? Obviously, you will be happy. You might even decide to turn it to a full-time job because you want to convert as many people as possible. But here is a challenge. What if the vendor stops telling you that some of those you referred bought items from him? This is the challenge you may face while recommending products or services to people offline. Affiliate marketing is the perfect solution for anyone who wants to refer products and services, track results, and earn without stress. That means if a person buys a product you recommend online today, you will earn today. If the same person buys another product tomorrow, you will earn again. You will keep earning from the person's purchases until the person stops buying. Imagine if you keep earning for 30 years from the action you take today. Everyone should be an affiliate marketer, whether you have a job, business, or investment, because this is a way to make passive income. But you may now ask, what can I sell? How do I make steady income? How do I get buyers? How do I handle marketing? How do I get marketing tools and materials? How can I do dropshipping? Or how do I make money while sleeping? We answer all your questions in our course in the discussion room, where we have trained e-connectors. These are professionals who connect people to solutions online. The discussion room is only for paid members. Membership fee is 10,000 naira today, and it is a lifetime membership. Some people do ask, is the fee compulsory? Do I have to take the course? Look, the discussion room contains training resources, marketing tools, suggestions, and network of people who can help you. It unveils many opportunities of making money online. Why should you stay away from such vital information? So, how can you have access to the discussion room? Scroll down after watching this video and click register. After registration, check your email for password. Then, log into your account. In your dashboard, you will see a product called the e-connectors guide. Buy the product and you will have access to everything you need to succeed in this journey, including the discussion room. Make sure you apply everything you will learn. I can't wait to see your success story.